Good evening, everyone. Here is a quick update. Actually, an update on two currencies, dollar INR as well as on euro dollar. Okay, so a quick update on dollar INR. I wanted to share my thoughts. Just have a look at this chart. Today is Friday. It's the weekly close, so it has closed for the week. And surprise, surprise, rise in geopolitical tensions, and we have seen a big rise in the dollar INR. Rupee weakened, dollar has gained. Interestingly, what has happened is if you see this downward sloping trend line, it was connecting the dollar peaks of the recent past, and now that trend line is broken today. Also, look at this white line. The white line is the 50-day moving average. Prices have been above this 50-day moving average for quite a while. Okay, so two indications: it has broken above the trend line resistance and it is above the 50-day moving average. So might be there is some kind of a upside left, but nevertheless, it is kind of the highest level in the last 2.5 months. So dollar exporters should start hedging their receivables. 2 months have passed, you have not got any chance to hedge. Now is the chance to start hedging for your dollar receivables. Okay, now let's come to the other chart. This chart is slightly more interesting. Okay, this is the euro dollar. As we have known, a dollar has weakened internationally. So euro and all the other major currencies have gone higher. And you can see this is upward moving chart. Now what has happened in the recent past, in the last 2-3 months, is look at these two peaks. Currently euro is at around 1.15. Previously it also made a peak at around 1.157, 1.158. So two peaks, what we call as the double top, not bottom, sorry, double top. And look at these two tops here. The prices have gone slightly higher on this top, slightly lower on this top. But look at the indicators at these two tops. The indicators have gone lower, the prices have gone higher. So the prices have made a higher high, the indicators have made a lower high. Both the MACD as well as the RSI. You can look at the MACD as well as the RSI. The indicators have made a lower high, the prices have made a higher high. And that is a classic case of negative divergence. Okay, so negative divergence or bearish divergence is a bearish indicator. We will look euro to come lower. Another interesting thing is if you look at the middle bar here, this is the simple difference of price vis-a-vis the 200-day moving average, and that difference has come to a multi-year peak, which means the prices have moved to an extreme and there is a good chance of mean reversion or the prices coming back to its average. The fourth final indicator I wanted to tell about is this rise. If you notice this rise in euro, that is not accompanied by any rise in the blue line. The blue line is the ADX, average directional index. The ADX has come lower when the prices are going higher. That typically tends to suggest that the trend is not strong. The trend is weak. Okay, so this euro rise is weak, multiple divergences, price extreme. This tends to suggest that euro dollar might fall, might decline. So what is there for euro exporters? Euro INR is in excess of 99. It's an unbelievably attractive level. So euro exporters should hedge. You have a 4% forward premium and forward rates are very attractive. You should certainly look to hedge euro exports at any spot above 99. So that's it from my side. Thank you and happy weekend.